Hello. Welcome to our beautiful room.
We are in Villa Herzeg.
Herzog, is it? That I was going to ask you. Where in the hell are we?
Don't ask me to pronounce the name of the room. It's never going to happen.
Beautiful room. We just got here. Awesome drive. We came from
Zenica.
Zenica. And we are now in
Trebinje,
Trebinje.
which we were calling Trebinye until we got corrected by someone on the road.
King size bed, beautiful sitting room, macrame all the way through it. Look at the beautiful crochet work. I'm going to let you go outside.
I'm going to go outside first. We got the river out here. The whole porch is for us. Across the street is apparently the kids are all playing out there. We've got an empty pool downstairs, which we're not going to use anyway.
Well, I'm sure they empty it for the season, but if you came here in the summertime, I bet this would be just absolutely spectacular.
This is a little lounge that I can sleep on. And we're going to come around again and show you downstairs, which has a pretty mural painted on the wall.
Breakfast was included in this.
Breakfast is included in the room, right? I'm going to hook around a little bit further and show you the prettiest part of the hotel. Yeah,
but look at this over here.
No, we're not. Let's go towards the bedroom.
All right,
I keep switching around. Now we're going to come around and come back in. Go past the living area.
Beautiful.
The bed. Little area to put our clothes in.
We got slippers.
And we got slippers in the room.
Which is always my thing.
And we're going to come in and we go to the bathroom. Or the bathroom, water closet. Very, very, very big bathroom.
Beautiful bathroom.
I'm going to come around and we're going to head towards the facilities here, the toilet. And we've got a huge shower here.
With a wand and a ring.
We've got a rainfall and the wand. Just absolutely gorgeous area.
You've got that hair dryer.
Hairdryer.
Toiletries, which is so nice with the little bar soap. You have a makeup towel in case you want to take off makeup. You've got a bonnet for your hair. You have a sewing kit and Q-tips and makeup remover and hand towels. So everything is just
And if I'm not mistaken, this is the first room I've ever had has double sinks.
probably not, but I think
I can't remember.
Venetian and a lot of
Oh,
those.
in Vegas.
Move back.
Okay. So from here, we're going to follow Karen out of the room.
Are you going to tell them about the flooring?
Yeah, the flooring is wood flooring, real wood flooring. It's a herringbone pattern, which I particularly like, a herringbone plank.
It's just lovely. Can't wait to have breakfast. Can't wait to settle in. And it was a long drive, but it was about 4.5 hours, but
It looks like it's going to be worth it.
really worth it.
Hi, I'm Jim,
I'm Karen.
and we do slow travel across the globe.
Yes, we do.
We certainly do.
Well, you just saw a small video of our hotel or bread and breakfast, I think it
Bed
was.
and breakfast,
Yeah,
yeah.
it was really. It was very intimate little house and on the river in Trebinje. And we hope you liked it. And now what you're going to see is...
We're going to see the town of Trebinje. We have little highlights we're going to show. There's a lot more to see there, but why show you everything? Leave some for you to be surprised at.
We hope you go.
Yeah.
And at the end of this, we'll go ahead and wrap it up and tell you our whole review of the area.
So, on with the show. Trebinje has a lot of parks, and
I think this is the same part. I think it
maybe
just
it's
goes
just a
way
different.
over there.
It looked like a big green space.
Really
And
nice.
as if we didn't have enough water, they have fountains here too. Plenty of water in Bosnia and Herzegovina. The river goes right through the country.
I can remember sweating it in Mexico because our cistern used to go dry all the time.
Yeah. Over here
And the
there's more
city
water
wouldn't
than you can
deliver
shake a
water.
stick at.
Here, you can't get enough.
It's everywhere to be found. I'm doing a small cut of the market here. Well, now that you saw the town of Trebinje, give you our honest thoughts on it. I'll let Karen start with the town itself.
I loved it. I wanted to move there. Jimmy has promised to never let me buy another place as long as I live because I emotionally get attached to a place right away. But the feel of this town, just the walkability, the loveliness, I'm sure it had to do with the time of the year. Weather was perfect.
And there's, like I said before, there's a whole bunch more to do there than what you're seeing in the video.
There's an old town situation. It was a walled town, and it's really cute and quaint inside. But you go beyond the walls, honestly, and just the parks and everything, and the small town and the restaurants, and everybody was wicked nice.
Yep, and also the hotel itself, or the bed and breakfast itself, was tremendous.
It was amazing.
Beautiful room, very immaculate clean. The people at the bed and breakfast really spoke very, very limited English, but they went out of their way.
The owner spoke good English.
The owner did. They went out of their way to help us.
The breakfast was fantastic. The bed was so comfortable. Everything was just so clean and bright. I really like white sheets and the walls and everything. It was just... the patio was fantastic, having the little refrigerator. They left little treats with the coffee, and that had like little chocolates and different things. So I know it's getting sick and tired of hearing us how wonderful everything is, but this was really a very nice stop. 4 nights.
And I can only recommend it highly if you're on vacation, if you're doing a road trip. This was the end of our epic road trip in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and it was one of the highlights of the trip. We've had a fantastic spell of luck on Airbnb and Booking.com, and this was no exception. It's a broken record, but by golly, we highly recommend the hotel.
We highly recommend Bosnia Herzegovina.
Yep.
Put it on your list. Amazing. And our next stop is back to Sarajevo, where we have about a 2-week stay in a hotel. So we're getting ready for the airport to another country.
Yep. And you'll see about that in a few weeks.
Yep.
For now, bye-bye. Until next time.
Till next time.